Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a protein-rich, high-fiber, instant breakfast recipe for weight loss. This gluten-free, quick and easy weight loss meal is a perfect breakfast for those with health issues like thyroid, PCOS and diabetes. The high fiber and protein will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss. So let's get started with the recipe. I have already roughly chopped one tomato, a small handful of small shallots. Now if you're using big shallots, you can use about 5 shallots, or you can use 1/4 of an onion, half of a medium-sized carrot which I have roughly chopped. I'm adding all the roughly chopped vegetables into my chutney grinder and I'm going to grind this coarsely. Now if you don't have access to a chutney grinder, you can of course grate all the ingredients and add into the chilla batter. So I'm going to coarsely grind this. So I pulsed this a couple of times and it is coarsely ground. Now if you want, you can add green chilies into this, but I prefer to add finely chopped green chilies into the besan batter. Into a large bowl, I'm adding in half cup of besan flour. Into this, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder has less heat compared to ordinary chili powder, so adjust Kashmiri chili powder to suit your taste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon ajwain. Now when you're adding ajwain, just lightly crush and add the ajwain so that the flavors are released. Half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Adding black pepper helps to absorb turmeric faster into your body. Half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as kayam in Malayalam. For those who have digestive issues when consuming besan, try not to omit ajwain, jeera and hing. These 3 spices will help to balance your digestive issues, so try not to omit it. Now add in the grated or coarsely ground vegetables. I've finely chopped 1 green chili and I'm also finely chopping a handful of coriander leaves. Add the finely chopped coriander leaves and the green chili. Adding pink Himalayan salt as needed. I'm measuring half cup of water and I'm adding half of the water first and mixing the batter. So this is a very quick and easy breakfast which I make often, especially when I don't have any dosha or idli batter. So I've added 1/4 cup of water and I'm adding in another tablespoon of water. Adding in another tablespoon water, so altogether 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoon water. Water quantity will also depend on the type of besan you are using, so add water accordingly. So this is the consistency. The batter is neither too thick nor too thin. It's of pourable consistency. I'm going to rest the batter for about a minute or 2 and then I'll start making the chillas. Heat a cast iron pan and grease it with gingerly oil. Pour 1 to 2 small ladleful of the besan chilla batter and spread it out as thinly as possible. Drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil, cover and let it cook on low flame. After about a minute, open the lid and carefully flip the chilla over. Now make sure your cast iron tawa is well seasoned, otherwise the besan chilla may stick to the tawa. So make sure that you have seasoned it really well before making this. Also note that cooking in a cast iron pan helps in better iron absorption. So if you have iron deficiency anemia, try to cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware. After about a minute, flip it over and serve to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter and then spread it out. Drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Cover and let it cook on low flame. And my quick and easy, high protein, healthy and instant besan chilla is ready to serve. So guys, do try this instant besan chilla and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.